How to create Facebook page auto replies. If any day you have a Facebook page and you would like to create the Facebook page auto replies but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to check whether you are connected to a stable internet connection or not. That may be a Wi-Fi connection or your data connection as well. After that, you have to launch the Play Store application on your mobile device. After you go to the Play Store like this, you have to go to the search icon and then you have to search Business Suite. After you search down Business Suite, now you can see the interface like this. Now here you have to install the very Meta Business Suite on your very mobile device. If you see the option of update, you can also update it. So after you have updated it or installed it on your very mobile device, now you have to launch the very Meta Business Suite application. Now you have to tap on it like this. After you tap on it like this, now it will be launched. You also need to make sure that now you have launched or you have just logged in to your very page that you would like to edit to. After you see that, you can see your interface like this where you can see your very page. After you see your very page, now what you have to do is you have to go to the option of the tools here and then you have to go to the option of settings. After tapping on the option of the settings, now you can see an interface like this. Here you have to tap on the option of automations. After tapping on the option of automation, now what you have to do is in the option of instant reply, you have to just turn on the option of turning on. Again, on the option of the frequently asked question, in order to create auto replies, what you have to do is you can add a question here and you can add any of the question that probably the people could ask. For example, what is the price? And if it's like this, you can also set an automated responses. For example, it's rupees 1000. So this way you can also add any of the other attachment or any of the other button. And after you do it, you can save it. So this is the way on how you can create automated instant replies. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.